Two ways to find someone on Facebook by phone number. Hey there, welcome to the channel and let's get right into this tutorial. To find someone on Facebook by phone number, you can use two of the method. Starting off, we'll be syncing the contact in our mobile phone to the Facebook. In order to do so, launch a Facebook application in your device. Make sure you are logged in into your account. From here, tap on the three horizontal line and you need to click on the setting gear icon. Tap on the option of Meta Account Center. From here, tap on Your Information and Permissions. You need to locate the option of Upload Contact, click on it. From here, select on the account that you wish to upload the contact in. After you have toggled it on, all of the contact in your device will be synced in with your Facebook account. It will help you to find someone on Facebook easier and vice versa. Second step, you need to open a preferred browser and search for Find Facebook Account. You need to click on this particular suggestion that is Forgot Password, Can't Log In. So in this case, it is much of a hack because you need to enter your phone number and by doing so, you'll be able to check out the Facebook account that belongs to the certain someone. This sums up the tutorial as well. Thank you so much for tuning in. We hope that you found it informative and helpful to you.